4号边裁巴普米来自突尼斯。
Judge number 4, Abdul Sattar Bahoumi from Tunisia.
本场比赛金方泳员来自越南的陈氏玉茹。
The activity blue representing Vietnam, Dino Thu Tran.
本场比赛红方泳员来自古巴的戴内利斯蒙特霍。
The activity red representing Cuba, Danilis Montajo.
The next repechage is a clash between Thi Ngoc Truc Tran of Vietnam and Danilis Montajo of Cuba. Again, this is a contest to see who will play for a bronze medal against a losing semi-finalist. Referee wants some more action. It's been a constant complaint from the referees quite early in bouts. They want to put the pressure on both athletes to be more competitive, to make things happen rather than wait. Back kick from Tran. No score. The Cuban comes in close with a roundhouse, but it went right around the back. Third time the referee has asked them to fight. Still not too much action, and only 20 seconds remaining. Both handed a Kyongo penalty warning. And finally an exchange. So not too much fighting as requested by the referee in that bout. No points scored. Danilis Montajo in the red. Coach getting quite excited. Tran from Vietnam, third place in this year's Asian Championships, and both women finished 33rd in the 2007 World Championships. But Montajo did it in the flyweight division, which is 47 to 51 kilograms at the World Championships, whereas Tran did it in the welterweight division, 63 to 67 kilogram division, according to our information here, which would seem to have been quite heavy, quite a much heavier division for Tran in that bout. So she certainly lost some weight, if that is the case, to make this Olympic competition in the under 49 kilogram division. I would doubt that information, in fact. Still not too much contact between the two. The Cuban ducked in but back out again. Danilis Montajo was a hit and run mission.
Hazle creer que va por la espalda. Y entonces coge por delante el peso. Enséñasele por la espalda.
Too low the attack from the Cuban. If anything, Montejo would be favoured to win this repechage match.
La mi victoria, la mi victoria.
Montejo did finish third at the World Championships of 2005, so she's been competing at the international level for some time. She's ahead by the solitary point at the present time. Tran is only 19. Montejo is 24. And time's up. One scoring attack from Danielis Montejo during that second round, but neither wanting to really mix it, particularly in comparison to the attitude of Mildred Alango from Kenya, and to some extent Hannah Zach of Sweden in the last repechage match, where they really took it to each other. See if we can see this kick from Montejo for a winning attack there. It wasn't the last flurry. Danielis Montejo out there a little more slowly. So the last round of 2 minutes, and Danielis Montejo leading by just 1 point. One successful kick to the torso. Both have warning penalties against them. Can't afford another penalty. A running kick from Tran. Thi Ngoc Truc Tran of Vietnam in the blue. They shape up to each other. The attack comes from Montejo, and she scores. And now Tran. Oh, big spin hook from Montejo. That'll keep Tran at bay. She can't afford to be intimidated by that, though. She must attack now. 50 seconds left. Oh, she's worn one in the face here. A back kick to the face from the Cuban. Hit the target. Scored 2 points. And now Tran maybe shaken a little by that blow as well. Spin hook once more by Montejo. What can Tran do here? She needs to score and score quickly. Montejo calls for timeout. She called timeout with her hands, but she wasn't going to take her eye off her opponent. And this repechage match is slipping through the fingers and feet of Tran. Montejo still moving well. 3 seconds remaining. Montejo now just has to keep her distance. And Danielis Montejo of Cuba wins the repechage match. Winner by points. She came to life in the third quarter, and so a chance for her and Cuba of a bronze medal now, as Thi Ngoc Truc Tran of Vietnam Walks away a little ruefully and looks like she could be carrying a slight injury.
各位观众，即将进行的是
Roundhouse kicks
8公斤以下
to
的
both
第一
sides of the body,
请裁判决定。
but it was the back kick to the face that was quite spectacular and earned 2 points. And there it was.
Ladies and gentlemen, the upcoming match is men's
And maybe not so much a back kick, just a strong roundhouse kick to the face. So she wasn't happy earlier in the day when she was a loser, but now she's through to the bronze medal contest.